Welcome to the Totally Honest Cooking Show. I'm Mark. Today we're making salmon patties. Let's go! This is around 14.5 ounces of salmon, which I cooked in the oven at 425 degrees for about 15 minutes before I then used the 2 forks method to, get it off the fish. And here we are. And we're gonna just put this in a bowl. You could, if you want to, use canned salmon. Nothing wrong with that. This was just about the same price, and why not? Once you've got that, we're stripping out some dill. We want about 1 tablespoon of chopped dill, so I'm collecting some. This recipe comes from Delish and is in the description below if you are interested in that kind of thing. And once you've got it to your desired amount of chopped, you can throw it in the bowl. Okay, next I've got 2 scallions. Throw that in the bowl too. There are a lot of recipes on the internet for this and many of them are very simple. Some of them are actually kind of complex. We'll do a complex one eventually, not today though. At its most basic form, salmon, some sort of breading, crackers are common as a filler, and egg to make patties. I have seen them with Worcestershire, with pepper. There's all kind of stuff you can put in them. 1/4 cup mayo, tablespoon of Dijon mustard. I did season the fish when I cooked it, but I'm still going to add some salt and some pepper. The recipe calls for 1/2 cup of panko, but I'm just going to take some crackers and smash them up. And Ritz crackers, I'll say, are about 1 cup a sleeve. 1/2 a lemon, 1 egg beaten, pour it over the top. Now we're going to commence to mix in. At this point, you can either pan fry or shallow fry in your cast iron. I'm gonna pan fry because I don't want to deep fry right now. Go ahead and make sure you've got cakes formed. As many as you make in whatever size you want. Recipe says 5. But you do you. Okay, then we're gonna slowly add them over here. Should hear a little sizzle. And we're looking for 3 to 4 minutes aside on these. Okay, we're going to go ahead and flip them. Oops. Pretty good. I'm going to let the rest sit an extra minute or 2. See if they can be a little firmer. The ones that aren't really coming up, I'm not forcing up. We'll just see if the binder holds. Okay. Some of them lost structural integrity. That's a little bit of a fail. That's okay though. It's still good. It's still good. Might not have had the pan hot enough. I feel like this could have used some more crackers. I also feel like this probably could have used another egg. This might be a failure episode, we'll see. And the one that I had intact fell apart flipping it again. Okay, first attempt fell apart almost immediately. So I'm going to go ahead and scrape these out and try again. Okay. We're going to try one more, see if I can get a patty out of this one. Let's see how we did. I mean, we know how we did, but let's see how it tastes. It's good. I like it. I could use a little bit more of that filler, though. Okay, this one looks a little better. Maybe a little higher heat. Make sure that the egg gets mixed in there all the way. That one felt a little eggier than the other ones. So what I've learned from this is you got to be gentle with them. You want to make sure there's enough of that egg in there to bind it together. And you want to make sure there's enough of that cracker to hold the egg together. I probably would use more than the amount of crackers that I did if I were to do it again, and I'd probably add an extra egg. The other thing that we can learn from this is that presentation and reality on a food show are not always the same thing. But that's why you come here to the Totally Honest Cooking Show, where I show you how I screwed it up. Okay, that's what I've got for you today. This is very tasty, and I am probably going to mix it in with some rice or something. But for now, you can like, subscribe, ding the little bell, leave a comment down below and yell at me for not doing more with this. And I'll see you next Wednesday. Bye.